It's actually fantastic. I can share my screen with you, so I can show you, and we can do whiteboard and all sorts. So it really is very similar to class.
And now we've got a nice head nodding break. Control E is the shortcut. So hit OK. We now have a lovely break in the sampler. Each of these MIDI notes represents a slice.
This is our kind of brief about what instruments, what kind of things we need to create. What we're going to do is everyone's going to come up with elements, basically stems that cover these styles, and then we're going to put them all together and make one track.
Yeah, mine had BPM and key ticked already, and then I ticked matching as well. Is it okay to have multiple on there?
Well, this is the thing. Well, you might want to. A person might want to find a song that is within a certain BPM range, that is within a certain key range, and also those that are matching. So all it means is that it's going to pull those songs together that meet all of that criteria.
So if I take them off and just have matching.
Exactly.
Yeah, now it works. Now they're all matching something. Yeah.
That's it. How did you do that? How did you do that?
I don't know.
What do you mean I don't know? You're some sort of alter ego. That's wicked.